My people, well done. My name is Dr. Toyin. You know wetin dem dey call BMI or body mass index? This video go tell you wetin be body mass index and the controversies when dey with am. Make you watch this video to the end. You see, body mass index or BMI, dem dey get am when dem dey calculate the ratio of your weight in kilograms and your height squared in meters. Na im dey give you the BMI. But this BMI, things wey fit affect am na things like your diet, your activity level, and your level of stress or wahala. When dem first do this BMI na in the 70s, when dem take about 7,000 white middle-aged men, when dem measure am, na im dem come get this thing. So the range be say, if you dey less than 18.5, then they say you dey underweight. If you be from 18.5 to 24.9, na im dey okay. 25 to 29.9, na im be overweight. 30 to 39.9, na im dey obese. Above 40, na im be severe obesity. E get some health condition if your BMI dey high. Things like stroke, heart disease, hypertension, type 2 diabetes, fatty liver disease, kidney disease, some cancers, and even fertility problem. If you get low BMI, you fit get things like osteoporosis, when be say your bone go dey weak. Anemia, when be say your blood level go low. Palpitation, when be say your heart go dey beat fast. Your immune system go dey weak, so that if infection come, you fit not fight am well. And you fit get fertility problem. You fit get normal BMI when be say you get health problem, or you fit get abnormal BMI when be say you dey alright. Make I know wetin you think about this BMI. Make you write am for the comments. Before next time, make sure say you check your BMI, so that at least you go know how your health status be. And until next time, smile because you dey healthy. Bye bye.